Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing a version of yourself that looks fresh, radiant, and glowing. Sounds like a dream? Nope, it's totally doable, and I'm going to show you how. This guide will cover everything you need to know about skincare, hair, makeup, body care, and more to transform yourself in just 24 hours. Let's dive into the glow-up magic. Skincare. Start your skincare routine with a refreshing ice massage. Take a few ice cubes, wrap them in a clean cloth, and gently rub them over your face for 2 to 3 minutes. This reduces puffiness, tightens your pores, and gives your skin a smooth, refreshed look. It's like an instant wake-up call for your skin. Focus on your cheeks, under eyes, and jawline for the best results. Next, wash your face with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Take your time to massage the cleanser into your skin for about a minute. This will remove dirt, oil, and impurities while also improving blood flow. Use lukewarm water to rinse off and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Don't rub, as it can irritate your skin. For exfoliation, you don't need anything fancy. Make a quick DIY scrub by mixing sugar and honey. The sugar will gently remove dead skin cells, while honey will hydrate and soothe your skin. Rub this mixture onto your damp face in small, circular motions, focusing on areas like your nose and chin. Do this for 2 minutes, then rinse off with cool water. Your skin will instantly feel softer and look brighter. After exfoliating, apply a hydrating face mask. You can make one at home with aloe vera gel and a little rose water. Spread a thin layer on your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Aloe vera hydrates and soothes, while rose water refreshes your skin. Rinse off with cool water to reveal a natural, radiant glow. Don't forget about your under eyes. Use chilled cucumber slices or cold tea bags. Green or black tea works best. Place them over your eyes for 10 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. This step makes your eyes look brighter and more awake. Now, let's focus on your lips. Gently scrub them with a mixture of sugar and coconut oil or honey to remove dead skin. This will leave your lips soft and smooth. Follow up with a generous layer of lip balm or petroleum jelly to lock in moisture and give your lips a natural shine. If you want a pop of color, you can dab on a tinted balm for a healthy, hydrated look. Finally, seal all the goodness with a lightweight moisturizer to lock in hydration. If you're heading out, make sure it has SPF to protect your skin from sun damage. For an extra glow, mix a drop of glycerin or aloe vera gel into your moisturizer before applying it. Hair and makeup. Start by giving your hair some love. Begin with a thorough wash and condition. But here's the trick. Use lukewarm water to cleanse your hair and finish with a cold rinse. The cold water helps seal the cuticles, making your hair shinier and smoother. If you want an extra boost of shine, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to your final rinse. It removes buildup and leaves your hair glossy. After towel drying your hair, apply a small amount of leave-in conditioner or a lightweight serum to the ends. This tames frizz and keeps your hair hydrated without making it greasy. If you're short on time, braid your damp hair and let it air dry for natural waves. Want a sleeker look? Use a flat iron or blow dryer with a heat protectant to style your hair while keeping it healthy. Now let's shape your face by grooming your eyebrows. Brush your brows upward with a spoolie and pluck any stray hairs for a clean, polished look. If you have sparse areas, fill them in lightly with an eyebrow pencil or powder to frame your face beautifully. Moving on to makeup, start with a clean base. Skip heavy foundations and go for a tinted moisturizer or BB cream to even out your skin tone. Apply a small amount of concealer under your eyes and on blemishes to brighten your complexion. Blend it well for a natural, seamless finish. For your eyes, focus on simple but impactful steps. First, curl your eyelashes with an eyelash curler. This instantly makes your eyes look bigger and more awake. Apply 2 coats of mascara, wiggling the wand from the base of your lashes to the tips to create volume and length. If you have time, a touch of neutral eyeshadow on your lids can add dimension without looking overdone. To bring warmth to your face, lightly dust some blush on the apples of your cheeks and blend it outward. A little highlighter on the high points of your face, like your cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of your nose, will give you a subtle glow. Finish your look with a natural lip color. A tinted lip balm or soft pink lipstick works great to enhance your lips without overwhelming your face. Don't forget to dab a little gloss in the center for a plump effect. Body care. Your body deserves just as much care as your face and hair during your glow-up journey. Start with a warm shower or bath to relax your muscles and prepare your skin for exfoliation. Add a few drops of essential oil, like lavender or eucalyptus, to your shower for a calming, spa-like experience. While in the shower, focus on exfoliating your body. You don't need expensive scrubs. Simply mix sugar or coffee grounds with olive oil to create a natural exfoliant. Massage it gently onto your skin in circular motions, paying extra attention to rough areas like elbows, knees, and heels. This step removes dead skin cells and leaves your skin soft and smooth. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. After exfoliation, it's time to shave or remove unwanted hair. If that's part of your routine, use a sharp razor and a good shaving cream or hair conditioner for a close shave without irritation. Always shave in the direction of hair growth to avoid bumps and ingrown hairs. If you prefer waxing or another method, make sure to moisturize afterward to soothe your skin. Once you're out of the shower, pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Don't rub, as this can irritate your skin. Apply a generous layer of moisturizer or body butter while your skin is still slightly damp. This locks in hydration and makes your skin feel silky. For an added glow, mix a few drops of baby oil or a shimmer lotion with your moisturizer. Don't forget your hands and feet, as they often show dryness the most. Massage a rich hand cream into your hands and cuticles. For your feet, use a pumice stone during your shower to remove rough skin. Then apply a thick layer of foot cream or petroleum jelly and wear socks for a few hours or overnight for deep hydration. Hydration is key to glowing skin, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. You can also add lemon slices or cucumber to your water for a refreshing detox boost. To top off your body care routine, pay attention to your posture. Stand tall, roll your shoulders back, and walk confidently. Good posture not only improves your appearance but also boosts your energy and self-esteem. Finally, pick an outfit that makes you feel amazing. Well-fitting, comfortable clothes that suit your style will elevate your confidence and complete your glow-up. Add a spritz of your favorite perfume or body mist to leave a lasting impression wherever you go. And there you have it, your complete 24-hour glow-up guide. With these tips, you'll look and feel your best in no time. Remember, true glow-up isn't just about your appearance. It's about how you feel on the inside too. So go ahead, glow from within and let your confidence shine through. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what tip you're going to try first. Until next time, stay radiant.